Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 Chevrolet Camaro RS big block 396 car. Very cool car, guys. The way I would describe this thing is it's just a good, honest car. Pretty cool little history on the car. Original owner owned this car for 38 years. He then sold this vehicle to a farmer up in Ithaca, Michigan, who I don't know how long ago it was. I got this car from a buddy of mine, Greg, who bought this car years ago from the farmer, who then ended up buying the car back from him, and he's had it ever since. And now he's actually was reducing his collection, and so that's how I ended up with the car. But very cool car, original color combination. This is ash gold. It's got the, of course, the black nose striping. It's got the original black vinyl interior. Again, it's the RSSS version with a big block 396. The car's had one repaint, which is the original color, ash gold. I believe almost all the trim in stainless is original on the car. You can pick, there's a couple little, I saw a couple little touch-up marks and some things like that you can pick at on the paint, but very nice. Runs and drives outstanding. It's actually got a 71 396 engine in it now, built to 375 horse specs. Car rocks. Drives out excellent. You can see you put the aftermarket torque thrust wheels on it. It's got BF Goodrich Advantage TAs all the way around it. Has all the original glass except for the front windshield. I believe the car has all the original body panels. I didn't see where they had changed anything. Fit and finish is excellent. You see the glass lines up nicely. Again, paint's really nice. It's got the front and rear spoilers. Again, little things like that you can kind of pick at on it. But good, honest 68 Camaro, guys. And I'll tell you, you want something that drives out excellent, this car hits the road great. Nice and straight down the sides. I think everything works. I mean, the clock works, the backup lights work. Again, little things you can kind of pick, but good straight car, man. Car's got a great look, sits good, sounds awesome. Again, good running 396, 4-barrel stock intakes, got Hedman headers on it, aluminum water pump, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the original 400 transmission. Hideaway headlights, they're a vacuum and they operate just the way they should. They're a little slow, which is pretty much par for the course on these. Yeah, got some handprints on it. Again, all this stuff looks original. Really good car, man. I think you're gonna love the way this car sounds. It's got a factory remote mirror. This car's only got 61,000, I think, original miles on it. You can see all this stuff's original. Again, it has had one repaint, but this is the original color. I guess all the interior on this car is original except for this driver's seat, and he found an NOS cover when he redid it. Well, that's the original carpet in this car. Bucket seats, console, again, factory tack and gauge car. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's in great shape. 61,294 on your odometer. Tack works, clock works. Blower motor works. Got an aftermarket radio, that works. All your gauges down there function. The original owner's manual's in the glove box. It's got a good sounding H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the original 12-bolt 331 posi rear end in it. Factory jack with spares in here. It's all, I don't want to rip this too far out, but you can see it's all spackle coated like it should be. Everything opens and closes nice. Good car. Yeah, I think whoever gets this car is going to be very, very happy with this car. Original sill plates. That's just a good car right there, guys. Turn the key, point the direction, and go cruise it. Dash pad's nice. And you can pick the door handles, but they're original. Again, 71,396 block. Nasty little cam in it. Give it a little rev here. Give it a little. Great sound. Factory SS hood. Again, it's got all the functional hideaways. Give it a little rev so you see the tack working. Yep. Doors open and close nice. Give it a little rev, Gary. It's got great sound, man. Holding good oil pressure, radio works. Yeah, doors open and close, nice wipers. Headlights. Give him a second, remember, you gotta give him a second. There it goes. Give it a little rev, Gary. There you go. Good. Go ahead and shut them off. Yeah, shut them off, yep. Turn signals. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also check us out on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Let's take this thing for a run.